Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and this is a redo of the Huggy Studs tutorial. I was out of the camera several times, and people couldn't really see what I was doing, so I decided to do it over again. We have our shapes cut out, and the leather is a little fuzzy on the underside, so I'm using some Mod Podge to smooth down the smudge, the edges that are kind of fuzzy. I turn my shapes over to the back side of the leather so that the back side is up. I'm going to take my stud and my E6000 and glue the studs to the back side of my material. When my glue is dry, I pick up my earring and I mark where I need to make my hole for my back. So that's what I'm doing here is I'm looking to see where the hole should be. So to make the hole, grab your piercing tool or whatever tool you have that you use to make holes with. I use these hole making pliers to make my holes. They're really easy to work with. I'm using my piercing tool because that's going to help me to place the back in the correct location. So I'm going to put glue on my back, and you want to be careful not to get glue over the hole, but put glue all around it. And it's such a small piece that I use my pliers to hold it, and then I apply the glue. Notice that the earring back is going to be applied to the right side of the material. I'm going to slide the earring back onto the piercing tool and then push it close to the material to attach it. So our metal pieces have dried, and here is our earring. We have a sale on our 10-piece leather pack that ends at $11.59 tonight. You pay full price for the 10 pieces of leather, but you also get a free set of the 10-piece shape templates. I'm packing up some orders right now, and I'll show you the extras. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of extra leather that I have included with this order. So you get the free templates and the 10 pieces of the leather plus 4 extra pieces. All right, good people, this is Sherry. You know the drill. If you like this video, please like, share, leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. And this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.